Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is UdokaJane. I'm an Iowa content creator based in Des Moines, Iowa. So guys, today's video is going to be what do I even tag this video? I don't even know. It's just an everyday makeup what I do on my face if I want to just have a simple makeup without doing too much. Okay, so after brushing my eyebrows, I'm starting off with this David's eye pencil, guys. As far as I'm concerned, this is the best eye pencil. I think this eye pencil is sold for like $100, not 100 naira. My friend brought this thing to USA when she was coming from Nigeria. It's a multi-purpose eye pencil for your lips and also your eyebrows, so it's the best so far.
Hold up, wait a second. I need to know your title. Turn around, I need a minute. Are you anybody's wife yet? Keep holding my breath since the day you left. Can't get no rest. No, no.
I'm defining my eyebrows with Bobbi Brown concealer. You guys.
Take one last breath as I'm diving deep. My head is underwater. I thought I didn't need you, but while I'm drowning slowly.
So I went ahead to define my upper eyebrows with Fenty Beauty foundation in my skin color. Guys, if you must define your eyebrows like the upper side of it, you have to use a concealer that matches with your skin entirely, not a different colored concealer. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced concealer to serve as an eye primer because it holds my eyeshadow better. And I'm going to be using this nameless eyeshadow. I don't know where I got this from, but it's really nice. I'm going to be using this on my eyes. And here is also a random palette I got from one of these stores I usually go to.
Make a wish and take one last breath.
I'm going to be using the dark eyeshadows.
As I'm diving deep. My head is underwater. I thought I didn't need you, but while I'm drowning slowly, I realize that I've been missing you like crazy. My head is underwater, 'cause I thought I didn't need you. My lungs are wide open now, 'cause I realize I've been missing you like crazy.
And from the same palette, I'm using the golden eyeshadows under my eyebrows just to give it a little bit of shine there.
I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't.
So after that, I give my eyeshadows a good blend. And here I'm using the mascara on my eyelashes.
But with you, everything has changed. Even though
I don't even know what eyeliner this is, guys. I forgot. Whenever I'm lining my eyes, I like to get close to the mirror because that way I get it right.
stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having a fight. Say
Okay guys, I'm using a Too Faced face primer. This is a trial size and I think I really do like it, but I haven't gotten the bigger size because I still got my trial size, so why would I go spend more money to get a bigger one until I finish this one before I decide to get more. But it's really good.
I'm used to give up 100 times.
And here's my foundation, guys. I'm gonna be using a MAC foundation, guys. My MAC foundation has finished, but I'm using this this pencil thing to scoop out all of the foundations there. And again, I like to mix my foundation because it's really hard for me to get the color of my skin when it comes to foundation, so I like to mix it. So I'm mixing this MAC foundation and the Too Faced foundation. Too Faced foundation is is a shade lighter than my skin, so whenever I mix both of them, I usually get a good skin shade.
Worth it, but now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you, everything has changed. Even though.
So guys, I'm using a Too Faced concealer to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my jaw, and other places that needs to be highlighted.
Died in the rain. Even as we're having a fight. Say just say
And I'm giving this a very good blend. Guys, I'm going in with this MAC concealer palette to contour my face. Guys, this is time to snatch the nose. We're snatching the nose.
Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having a fight.
And I'm going in with this Too Faced loose powder. This is gonna give under my eyes a good highlight. Ooh! Why did I shake my head? You all, I don't bake my face though. I don't bake. I don't do baking. I'm taking out the excess powder with a brush. And I'm also using the contour powder to blend my face. I need to give this face a proper blend. I'm also blending my nose with the same powder. Okay, it's blush time. You all, I'm gonna be using this blush palette on my face. And I'm setting my face after the blush in my face. And it's my lips time, guys. Time for my lips. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. If you don't have this lip gloss, this particular color, you are missing out in something really, really important. I'm using this NARS lips gloss all over my lips because I'm doing a nude lips. My lower lashes mascara, and here is a good finishing with the NYS setting spray again. And voila, this is me, guys. This is moi. Tell me what you think about this makeup. This is just an everyday simple makeup. If you want to look snatched yet simple, this is what you should do. Look, I don't look like I have any makeup on my face, guys. No, it's really simple, clean, nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you think about my makeup down in the comment section. And if you ain't subscribed to this channel, you like what you see, you like my vibe, please do something really good. Do me well by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you guys. Bye.